Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to show FPS in Monster Hunter World. FPS helps you check performance, spot drops during fights, and tune graphics settings properly. There are two easy ways to monitor your FPS in-game. The first method is by using the Steam overlay. Open Steam, head to the top left corner of the Steam platform, then go to Settings. Look for the In-Game tab. Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Next, scroll down until you see the Overlay Performance Monitor. Choose a screen corner from the drop-down list. Set a hotkey toggle for the performance monitor. Launch Monster Hunter World. Press the hotkey toggle and your FPS will appear on the screen corner you chose. The second method is by using the NVIDIA overlay. Open the NVIDIA app, choose Settings, then enable NVIDIA overlay. Launch Monster Hunter World. Press Alt-Z to open the NVIDIA overlay. Go to Statistics and enable Show Statistics in Heads-Up Display. The FPS counter and performance metrics will show up on the top right corner of your screen. And that's how to show FPS in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.